Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E cream. First, ensure your skin is clean and dry. Take a small, pea-sized amount of cream onto your fingertips. Gently massage it into your skin using upward, circular motions. Focus on areas needing extra hydration or repair. Allow the cream to absorb completely for a few minutes before applying makeup or other skincare products. This ensures maximum effectiveness and avoids pilling. Vitamin E cream offers numerous benefits for your skin. As a potent antioxidant, it helps protect your skin from environmental stressors and free radical damage. It's excellent for deep hydration, reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. You can also apply it to specific areas like scars, stretch marks, or very dry patches to promote healing and improve skin texture. Its soothing properties can calm irritated skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. To get the most out of your vitamin E cream, consistency is key. Apply it once or twice a day, ideally in the morning and evening. For optimal absorption, use it after any serums, but before your heavier moisturizers or sunscreen. If you have sensitive skin, always do a small patch test on your inner arm first to check for any reactions. Proper storage in a cool, dry place will also help maintain its potency. Vitamin E cream is beneficial for daily use to maintain overall skin health and combat signs of aging. It's also particularly helpful after sun exposure to soothe and aid in skin recovery. However, avoid applying it to open wounds or severely broken skin, as this could cause irritation. If you experience any redness, itching, or discomfort, discontinue use immediately and consult a dermatologist. Always listen to your skin's needs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.